Hi, I'm Chris Bryce from superservice.com. I'd like to talk to you about how to keep your computer running cool. If your computer needs to be running cool so that it doesn't overheat, the best ways to do this are to either clean the dust out of your computer using a standard dust blowing can or an air compressor on a small PSI, or to add fans to your computer. The best way to add a fan to your computer is to first open the case and see where there's space available to do this. A lot of computers will have a space designated for a secondary or even a third fan to be added. You can purchase these for between $5 and $20 from your local computer or electronics store and have them installed either by that store or yourself to keep your computer running cool. Some of the other ways to keep your computer running cool are to locate it in a different space. If it's in an area where there's not very much space around it, such as under a desk or maybe up against a wall next to a desk, you may want to move it to a more open location, either on top of a desk or table or to the side that's not against the wall, to allow it some more room to breathe. What the fans inside the system are designed to do is bring in outside air into the computer to keep things running cool. Well, if it's in a tight space, then all it's going to be doing is recirculating warm air, which will keep it from running cool. Those are the best ways to go about taking care of your computer to make sure that it continues to run cool.